Hey all, welcome back to Fire and Water Travel Services. My name is Darren, and today we're going to take you on a walking tour of downtown Willemstad in Curacao. We did this as a excursion on the Carnival celebration back in 2023. Had a great time, so check it out. I'll be right back with our tour. Hey all, welcome to Fire and Water Travel Services. We specialize in affordable luxury and culinary adventures with all types of travel, including cruises, all-inclusives, and any type of travel that you're looking for. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and make sure you like and subscribe and share this channel. All right, all. Curacao is the largest of the ABC islands, Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao, and they all used to be part of the Netherlands, so they also have that Dutch influence of the different colored buildings. But I have to say it's probably one of my favorite cities in the Caribbean, just because it has so many cool things. Besides the Blue Curacao liqueur tour you can do, this floating bridge is one of the many wonders of the world. It has lots of different shopping opportunities right when you get off the ship. One of the things I do like about it is they don't have a lot of people trying to sell you stuff as well. We did a walking tour, which our guide is on the left, from Tours by Locals, which I'll leave a link below, and I highly recommend them. They do a free walking tour, and then you just tip the guy at the end. And we had a full tour, and we did parts of the downtown Willemstad that I've never been to before. Like I said, one of the things I love about this city is so many different cool places and neighborhoods just in Willemstad itself. This is an actual statue by a local artist. They used to have a very large slave population here, and this is actually based on Bob Marley's Redemption song, and it incorporates all the different parts of the emancipate yourself from mental slavery. So like I said, this area, Willemstad, we've never been to before, and it's a lot of local artists paint the buildings, all these vibrant colors to depict things in history that happened with some of the people that formerly slaves here on the island. So lots of cool, colorful buildings. Everything is super clean, super safe. This is a lionfish store that sells the lionfish jewelry and all kinds of different lionfish stuff. But everywhere you turn in Willemstad, you'll see this art. This was a local artist that does a lot of the paintings, and this was in one of the restaurants there. Lots of cool restaurants. This is the Queen Juliana Bridge. That's one of the larger bridges you'll find in the Caribbean that goes over the canal that goes into the where the oil and gas refinery is. There's a big oil and gas refinery on it. This is the bridge, that's the floating bridge that kind of turns when boats come through here. That whole bridge will turn to allow the boats to go by. It's a totally cool bridge. Like I said, you get into the heart of downtown Willemstad, and all over the place you'll find art all over the buildings. Cool little shops, cool little restaurants. This is the Chi-Chi statue, which is known as the Big Sister. It's one of the big things here in Curacao. You can buy all types of art, dolls, and collectibles for the Chi-Chi dolls. Curacao is also home to the oldest continuous use synagogue in the Western Hemisphere, and it's right downtown Willemstad. And it actually is like a museum, so you can actually schedule and take a tour of that as well. It's not part of the walking tour. Lots of, like I said, lots of art, guys, all over the place. It's such a beautiful place to go walk around and just take pictures of art everywhere you look. And all the shops are cool. Like I said, it's one of the safest, most relaxing ports I've been to in the Caribbean, and one of my favorites just to walk around and chill and take pictures and have fun. So these big statues with Doshi, and they also have the one with Curacao, are cool for the tourists to take pictures of. But like I said, it's such a cool little city. I highly suggest doing the walking tour. It's a good 2.5, 3 hour walking tour. All the shops are, most of the stuff in there is actually homemade, handcrafted stuff that is made in Curacao. It's not like some of the other islands where they have stuff that's made in China, that's in bulk, that's just a bunch of junk. Everything here is authentic. The art is, like I said, it's just local artists. A lot of people come here and just repatriate themselves here to check out all the different art and be in this culture. It also is home of the world's best mojito bar, so they say, but it was actually pretty good. All the little shops and all the little restaurants and places here, like I said, they're really nice. They're something that's you're gonna like forever. They also have these hearts, guys, just like in France, where you can actually put your locks in there with your name on it. And my son and daughter-in-law did this, and we did it as well. Pretty cool little thing, and it's right by that revolving floating bridge. This is the entrance to that canal that goes to the refinery. So this is that bridge again, guys. Like I said, it's probably one of the coolest bridges you'll ever find. Another picture of downtown Curacao. Like I said, guys, one of the nicest places you'll go in the Caribbean. Check it out. Check out the link to the walking tour below. Tours by locals. It's free. You just tip them. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Check it out. Make sure you like it, subscribe, and share. Check out fireandwatertravel.com for all your travel needs. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one.